We're in Arcadia Light at our newest listing, a 2017 build by Rebuild the Block.
A 4-bedroom, 3-bath modern farmhouse. Let's go take a peek.
Welcome to this dreamy Arcadia ranch envisioned and brought to fruition by Rebuild the Block in 2017. This house is a bright and airy open concept with vaulted wood beam ceilings and top-tier finishes. The gourmet farmhouse kitchen is a showstopper, featuring a beautiful marble center island, Bertazzoni 5-burner gas range, GE professional appliances, and a stunning custom fireplace. The spacious 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms complete the split single-level floor plan. The low-maintenance backyard includes a covered patio and lush perimeter of trees for ultimate privacy. For added security and energy savings, they've included security doors and roller shield window coverings. Centrally located close to fine dining, shopping, outdoor activities, and the airport. If you like what you see and you want a private tour, reach out to us.
And if this isn't quite what you're looking for, reach out to us anyway, because I think we can help you find just the perfect place.